your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either of us at this point.
I don't wanna go low. I don't wanna. Hello mga ka-chums! Welcome back to another episode of Hashtag Take Me Somewhere. And for today's video, we are going to Coron, Palawan! Yay! May energy na!
Take my hand, we're gonna go to Central Park as friends. Lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems we're kind of alike. Wave our hands at every single airplane in the sky. Under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems we're crossing the line.
Time for check-in. Check-in lang naman. So, first time namin mag-ride ng Sunlight kasi usually, ang mga flights na nakuha ko is under Cebu Pacific. Once pa lang naman ako naka-ride sa AirAsia. Hindi ko pa natatry. But most of the time talaga sa Cebu Pacific.
The inside out character. Elvie! Look, this guy!
Si Sayan! Oh, girl!
Central Park again. Lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems your hands on my thighs. Wait, is this right? 'Cause I'm so in love with you, and I'm not sure if you feel.
Yet another. And this time, it's roasted garlic flavor. Thank you po! Pero nag-shoot muna kami ng animals, you know? Tapos by the time siguro na last itinerary na mapaperfect me na ang steps, buwisit. Kakadating lang namin sa accommodation namin. Punta kami sa Makinit Hot Spring, maliligo. But before that, hindi pa kasi kami nagla-lunch. So, gonna buy muna dito sa Andox. Malapit lang yung Andox sa accommodation namin. And then, dadali na namin yung food sa Makinit Hot Spring. Nag-rent na lang kami ng tricycle there. Yung dalawang yan. Target lock! Halat lang. My bird!
Wonder if I changed my number. Would you wanna know? It's the coldest kind of comfort.
So, andito na kami ngayon sa Makinit Hot Spring. So, ang entrance fee is 300 pesos. We tried na i-convince yung staff nila na if hindi na magbabayad yung hindi naman maliligo. So, yung mga kasama namin na hindi naman maliligo is walang choice but pay for the 300 pesos.
Can't call you cruel for changing your mind. I still can't call it away.
Late dinner ang mga sis. Good morning! 6:50 and we're about to take our breakfast. Mo siya, kami ready for our island hopping na.
That's why you need to try story. You need to bring your own life jacket mandatory like this because
This is the start of our hiking adventure.
sorry for about that.
Again, kuya.
Hello.
Hi! Sige, kakayanan ka. So, this is the Kayangan Lake. Ayun. Nag-hiking muna kami before nyo makita. Ang ganda ng lake na to. Yung nakakapagod. Kakababa lang namin from Kayangan Lake. Kami dun sa ikalawang destination namin. I'm not sure. Parang sa garden, coral ata kami or coral garden. I'm not sure. Sayang kasi we were not able to have our picture taking dun sa view deck nila. Kasi nga, ran out of time. Dito. Tapos ang daming foreigner. Charis! How's your experience?
I enjoyed the lake.
Sobrang dami lang talagang tao. So don't expect sariling limitation. So ang activity dito is more on snorkeling. So ako, hindi ko yan forte. Hindi nga ko marunong. Pwede ka nagbaba? Pwede ka nagbaba?
Esposo lang mukha.
Dito na talaga pag sign of aging.
Ang dagat ay hindi na para sa akin.
Prefer ko talaga ang mga staycation.
Tapos,
Adventurous ka talaga. Adventurous
Si Palawan
ka. Sobrang
ang
ganda din
nag-deal.
ng Palawan. Biyahe na kami papuntang Bangol. Rent na lang kami ng isang crystal kayak for everyone since majority naman sa amin nakapag-crystal kayak na sa Boracay. But yung iba, syempre gusto din namin nila ma-experience yun. Ano, boys? Yun na sa naman, boys!
When the world divides and the lines are drawn, we'll join our hands, you know we'll keep holding on. Everyone will fall, the sun will start to shine. In the darkest times, we'll still see the signs. We're rising up and we're standing tall. We might stumble, we still won't fall. With every challenge, we will find our way. 'Cause every step we take wins a brighter day. 'Cause every step we take wins a brighter day. Everybody say, oh, oh, find my way. Oh.
Yeah, be careful, please.
Underneath the skin, we're all a single race. A tapestry that's
Sige,
woven
Lorraine!
into place. Hearing different views, we find a different plan. With an open mind, together we can.
So this is love.
The small one, this one.
Wala nang 50 ka dyan.
Yung pearl. 100 pesos lang. Ay, 50 pesos lang one pair na. 2, 3, go! It's 6:43 in the evening and we are going to have our dinner somewhere here sa Ron Town proper. So we are planning to have gano'n ko nag-crave ng seafoods.
Seafood pa lang kaya kasi ba?
Lobster this time. But it depends. Hala.
Di ba ka nag-online si
Masarap ang coffee.
Morning, Coron! It's our third day and second full day namin here in Coron. So, we are heading to Busuanga for the Kalawit Safari Adventure. So, mag-feed kami ng mga giraffe. So, medyo gloomy ang weather today. But we are praying na hindi siya uulan. Para hindi hassle. Kasi we have to travel going there by land muna. And 1.5 hours sa land. And then, we have to take the boat. How many hours? 40 minutes. 40 minutes.
Bad traffic ain't a waste of time. You were there to hold my hand, but I've had it with the 405. Since you said I'd missed my last chance, but I know
I don't wanna go low. I don't wanna go low. So low. It's never so high. Instead, I don't want to walk this earth. Away from home. You have to go.
you've been asking about me. If I tried though to get you back, would you let me? It might take some time to change your mind. Maybe everything we can make it right. This take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like a caution light. I wonder if you see it. I don't really need a single other reason to make you mine. It might take some time to change your mind. I know. I wish I never let you go. If I took you for a top-down drive, just you and me.
Done na kami mag-register. So, we're now ready for our Kalawit adventure. And ready na kami makipag-meet and greet sa mga animals. So, according kay Kuya, sa tour guide namin, is that hindi siya pwedeng idugtong yung Kalawit sa land. Kasi nga, most of the animals are wild talaga. So, nakawala lang sila. So, delikado. I-share ko lang sa inyo kasi yesterday, di ba, we went to Kayangan Lake. And na-mention ko na sobrang struggle kami sa pag-akyat. Pagod na kami sa pag-akyat sa Kayangan Lake. This is another struggle for us. So, hindi naman siya ganun katirik. But, syempre, yung result ng paglakad namin sa Kayangan Lake is, ayan o. Lahat kami. Tinaman si Ma'am G. We have to walk this far. We really have to walk this far para ma-reach namin yung mismong place na maano. Sabi nila nakikita nila yung giraffe, but ako hindi pa kasi tasa. Ang sagot ay kasoy.
Bayabas!
Trying to feel the heat of the sun. Ay, initon.
Di ba tighagad taman bago kaya yan?
Ha?
Kaya okay
Oo
na.
nga ni. Kansubago kaya, di ba? Super gloomy. So medyo ano kami na baka abutong kaming uran.
Yeah.
But thankfully, God gave us this good weather for us to enjoy this place.
Just you and me and an empty road. Maybe I can make it cross your mind. Jump back in, baby, go, go, go. Oh, I know that you've been asking about me.
They're still getting some plants for the giraffe. Kasi yun ang gagamitin namin para i-feed sila. O higpitan daw pag magpapain.
If I tried though to get you back, would you let me? Oh, it might take some time to change your mind. Maybe everything we can make it right. This take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like a caution light. I wonder if you see it. I don't really need a single other reason to make you mine. It might take some time to change your mind. I know. I wish I never let you go. Oh, I wish I never let you go.
It's already 12:41. Ay nako, ilang minutes na lang before 1 o'clock. Andito na kami ngayon sa Buluwang Fish Pond and Restaurant. Dito kami mag-take ng lunch. I'm excited lagi sa lunch. Kuya,
Iba naman daw yung pagkain.
so you need to be klaka there. To walk from here, from there up to there kasi sa boat. Tapos ayun yung Black Island. Ano kuya? Kuya! Hi! Welcome to... Ay! Muntik pa si auntie. We're going to the cave. So, andito na kami ngayon sa Black Island. So, grabe lang yung alon. Taas ang kamay ng hindi nabasa sa bangka. So, yung papunta dito. Sino hindi nabasa? Ay, ayun! Yung hindi nabasa. Dalawa lang out of 11. Visit. Ang galis. Ang galis. Ang galis. Yay! Alamba, calendar girl. Yeah, it's calendar girl. Day nag-uran. So yung Black Island, if magkakalawit island kayo or yung sa safari, afternoon, magla-lunch na kayo, then ano na kayo, Black Island na. Oh, so this is the cave. Ayan. Bawal magdala ng alak. So ito yung cave. Sorry, Lord.
I wish I never let you go. I know you've been asking about me. If I tried though to take it all back, would you let me? Oh, it might take some time to change your mind. Maybe everything we can make it right. Just take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like a caution light. I wonder if you see it. I don't really need a single other reason to make you mine. It might take some time to change your mind. I know. I wish I never let you go. Oh, I wish I never let you go. Oh, I wish I never let you go.
Bini Ruby, go! Malinaw na pakasabi. Nagawa kay Kuya. Kuya si Isay dyan. Hinilig habang nag-order. Kuya, isa nga.
Good morning! It's already 8:35 in the morning. And we are super excited to... What? Go to Sunlight Resort! Hey! Sunlight Resort is actually the highlight of this trip. We've been wanting to visit this place ever since. Like Zet Pansit. Ayan. We are so excited. And we're also very excited to share this experience with you guys. Kaya stay tuned, ha? I've heard amazing things about this place. Yung beach nila, yung activities nila, and even the unique accommodation. So let's see how special this place is. Wait. Excited pa! Andito na naman ang anak sa mayaman. This is the map of Coron. So, we went here. We went here. And then, of course, dito kami galing. Tapos, Pasna. Shipwreck. Nahiling ka ni Kulyon. Ilan kasi, dati siyang lugar na tiga-anuhan ka mga patients na may leprosy. Diba? Nahiling niya itong documentaries before. So, pigano siya for treatment and to-cure yung mga tao para dahil mag-spread ang leprosy. Tapos, this is where we are heading. Sunlight! Woo! Dito kami sasakay ng speedboat going to Sunlight Island Resort. Hello guys! Yay! oras dito. Tapos, there's a complimentary back massage for 10 minutes. So siya yung ilalagay namin dun sa table. I-check natin. Sala. Barsi. Very true man talaga si mga reviews na naririnig namin about this place. Super ganda ng view ng beach. And what else? Yung accommodation is very unique talaga. Mga stilt villas siya. So, wala nga lang yung parang may glass floor kasi that's quite expensive na. But we'll try to check later yun. Kung wala naman naka-check-in, pwede kami mag-visit. We don't have complimentary lunch and dinner. So, only breakfast lang siya. It's a buffet breakfast. So, that will be open tomorrow, mga 6 o'clock ata. Pwede na mag-buffet. So, we'll be staying here for a night lang. Ay, nako. Ang sarap ng feeling. Achieve na namin. Achieve na namin. Actually, Pearl Farm vibe, but ito, iba din yung pagka-special ng place na to. They also have complimentary water activities like yung kayaking ata. It's free. And then, I'm not sure with snorkeling. By the way, yesterday pala, hindi na ako nakapag-outro kasi we're all very tired na. I-recap lang natin yung pinuntahan namin yesterday's itineraries. Ano ang pinuntahan namin? First, we went to safari in Busuanga. So it was a 1.5 hour land trip. Tapos we took a boat trip ng parang 40 minutes going to mismo sa safari. So yun, nakaka-amaze din dun yung mga animals. May zebra. First time ko makakita ng giraffe and nag-feed kami. Yun yung pinaka-highlight ng safari trip namin. Ang ganda. Pero medyo may walking adventure lang talaga siya. Kasi yesterday, hindi available yung shuttle. Parang inaayos ata something. Under maintenance. So talagang walkathon kami. But all worth it. We've seen a lot of wild animals, yung monkey, yung cat na, wild cat, something, hindi ko alam ang name yun. Civet. Tapos, may python, may giraffe, may zebra, ayun. Tapos, basta, madami pang wild animals. And then, after the safari, we went straight to Bulwang. I'm not sure with the name be. Basta, it's a fish pond and a restaurant at the same time. So, that's where we actually took our lunch. So, hindi siya buffet, but the food was nice. And then, after, we traveled again sa water for about like 40 minutes going to Black Island. So, sobrang lakas pala ng alon. Sobrang basang-basa talaga kami. So, syempre, we have to secure our phones. Tapos, pagdating doon, we went to a cave. Hindi naman kami naligo kasi medyo kind of creepy yung place sa loob. But, we took pictures. So, actually, yung shipwreck, so, nag-swim na kami. Pero, super bilis lang namin nag-swim sa Black Island. Kasi, we still have to travel back. Medyo malayo pa. Alam mo yung magta-travel ka na sa water, tapos travel ka na naman going to Coron. So, yun. But it was really a great experience. So, today would be our last day na here in Coron. No, not actually the last day. Tomorrow will be our last day, but tomorrow will be our flight going back to Pampanga. So, we'll just optimize our stay here sa Sunlight for our staycation. I'm now ready to show you guys how our room looks like. So let's have a quick room tour. By the way, we have 4 rooms na assigned sa amin. So each room has 2 persons. So Boris and I will be staying together. Rooms here, andito yung kasama namin. Tapos dalawa kami dito ni Boris. So see, it's an overwater villa. Okay, here's the key card. I'll open it. And yeah, so here's the bathroom. Yan, ganyan siya kaganda. Ooh, lights. Okay, see, that's the bathroom. So meron ng mga complimentary towels. And then my shampoo, my conditioner, and then there's a shower. There's a sink, my glasses, may mga complimentary na toothbrush, which I really love kasi so sobrang travel friendly, diba, ng place kapag meron mga ganitong free. So merong vanity kit. So you'll see merong complimentary na bathrobe, and there's a cash vault, a cabinet. So this is where you can place your stuff here. There, hanger as well. It's my coffee machine and bottled water and mga drinks. There's a mini refrigerator. Kaso wala man kaming mailagay. Ay, may mga ready na palang Coke. This side, there's a television. Tapos, we have salted egg, chicharon, banana chips, Bicol Express. But we still have to ask sa front desk if we can consume this for free. Mali mo, complimentary, di ba? Tapos yan, TV, vanity mirror here, 2 beds. So, 1 for Boris and 1 for me. And you have the table there in between and with telephone. Also have a speaker here. Oh, Boris, oh. Boris. Kumusta naman ang speaker natin dyan? It's JBL. Pak ganun. And you know kung anong pinakamagandang part dito sa room namin? This one. The balcony. Ay! Okay, let me open this. See the view? Ay, ang ganda. Feels like nasa Maldives ako. Hindi ko man afford ang Maldives, but at least I have this kind of opportunity to experience this kind of staycation. Ayan. Diba? Ay, nai-inlove na talaga ako. Swear. Perfect talaga to. Diba? So, ang position ng aming villa is sabi daw sa sunrise. So, tomorrow, wake up kami ng maaga para ma-check yung sunrise. Connecting siya actually yung balcony nila. So, it's very easy for you to access yung kabilang room. Hey! How's Maldives? Maldives of the Philippines. Hi! Tara nyo na lang. Ha? May charge yan, B. Gising na naman ang mga anak sa mayaman.
Naglalaskwat siya na naman ng mga anak sa mayaman.
Ano entry mo, B? Muray! Stay, ako na lang pabalik ng villa kasi yung dalawa kong kasama, nag-stay na sila dun sa villa nila kasi they have to change. Mag-change na daw kasi para before, after mag-take ng lunch, magpipicture-picture na kami, maglilibot na kami, tapos isahan na pag-swimming para hindi na balik ng balik sa villa. So, we are heading to Island Garden Restaurant. sinabi ko kanina. Glass floor siya.
Okay. Kasi dun kami ni Sir sumakay kami.
Kumusta si Jessie at si Peanut? Okay.
Subdivision. Not all the guests can go inside. Only sa exclusive for sa ibang guests lang. And they will put
No. Rent lang? I can buy this. Yeah! I can buy you, your family, and your friends. This is the spider show. Ready, 8-7, and we're back sa Island Garden. At this time, we're going to take our dinner. Pero hindi na siya dito sa Island Garden. Iba naman na experience ang itatry namin. So, we'll be eating sa Japanese restaurant nila. Dinner set for free. So, nag-order kami ng food namin. So, kanina, before kami mag-beach, like 5:30 ata yun, nag-order na kami so that they can prepare the food. So, at 8 o'clock, at exactly 8 o'clock, the food will be served na. Smells good. Salmon. Ooh. Okay, let's try it. The pork teppanyaki. Morning, Kulyon. It is already 5:57 and we are about to check out at around 6 o'clock a.m. Yes, super duper early because our flight will be at 10:30 a.m. So we have to be at the airport 2 hours before our flight. Medyo puyat kami, like 4 hours lang yung sleep. But last night, ayoko pang mag-sleep because gusto ko pang sulitin yung place. So our stay actually in this resort was nothing short of magical. Sobrang ganda. Pag-arrive pa lang namin, we were actually captivated by the water kasi ang ganda ng water niya. Actually, yung pool nila isa pa lang. So, but ang ganda na, malaki. And then parang yung amenities nila, though may mga ginagawa pang improvements, but still their amenities exceeded our expectations. So, hindi pa sila 5-star kasi nga hindi pa tapos yung kanilang resort, but yung treatment nila sa mga guests nila actually pang VIP na. Pang 5-star, I mean, pang 5-star. So yan, tapos by the way, we have confirmed yesterday na complimentary talaga yung water activities like kayaking and snorkeling. So yung mga kasama namin, nakita talaga nila yung iba't ibang isda kasi nag-snorkel sila. And then, pero they were not able to have yung kaya kasi nakulangan ng oras. Okay. Boris!
For the bakla, nilakit.
Tapi ano yung dyan laksi din ba? I don't wanna lose you now.
Okay, yan. Sarap pa. Sabay, sabay, sabay.
1, 2, 3, go. I don't wanna lose you now.
Thank you so much, Sunlight. Thank you.
10 out of 10.
Bye, everyone. I'll see you on my next one. Woo!